If your cloud identity provider just sent you a renewal quote that made no sense, you are not stuck with it. Here is how one company replaced it completely. A European company, several hundred users, running everything through Okta. Office 35, their VEP, around 20 applications. At renewal, the price climbed hard. Instead of paying it, they decided to test the exit. We moved their entire authentication to OpenOTP on-premise. Their SAM and OpenID Connect apps were repointed to our Federation server. Their VPN stayed exactly where it was, re-authenticated through Radius. Active Destruction stayed the source of truth, validating passwords with the second factor handled on top. Now, the fear is always the migration itself. Here, it was measured in hours of joint work, not months. No service interruption for users, with one exception we planned for, Office 365, because that changed to propagate across Microsoft's own systems before it goes live everywhere. The outcome? OCAX switched off. Identity data staying on their own servers in their own jurisdiction, and IIM costing a third of what they were quoted. A renewal increases is not a fate. Sometimes it is just the moment to look at what else is possible. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video where we'll show how to make identity resilient without giving up sovereignty.